Good day, everybody, welcome to today's video. My 2014 Wrangler JKU in the rear suspension build. I'm going to be installing the Rugged Ridge sway bar links. I'm replacing everything in the suspension, and this is what I'm going to install. It's simple. It should take no longer than half hour to an hour max. There's a small amount of assembly by putting those little bushings in. Just use a rubber mallet. I used my vise and I just tapped them into place. Made it easier. Now going back to my JKU, I had a different style of sway bar bushing or link on there, so I had to actually physically cut mine out. And then once I had them cut out, you're ready to install. And I'm just gonna get them set up into place, then get ready to bolt them down. Now, don't be confused the way this is set up. I got a new Falcon bracket, and those are for special shocks I'm putting on. That's why it may look different than the one on your JK or JKU. But basically, it's the same. It's got the mounting hole in the side, and you put your nut and your bolt through it, and then get everything set up. So this is what I wanted to point out. I got this one set up, and it's ready to be tightened. However, you want to hook up the other side first. Reason for that is, while it's loose, you still have some play, a little bit of the sway bar to help get it in easier. They're both all in, so now we can tighten them up. There you have it, all installed. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one.